Yo! First order of the day, we've got a Subway. This one is $8 going 5 miles. Thank you. Next order, we are on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this order is going to be a McDonald's. I think it said it was going 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. And there's the first no tip of the day. Total for that was $6 and change. Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one's going just under 7 miles. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $10. Not bad. It's looking like it's going to be another high mileage day. This next order is a McDonald's. This is going 7 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Total for that was $11, which is not amazing because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to drive all the way back without an order. Next up, we've got a stack. This is 2 different restaurants, 2 different customers. This is Nectar Juice Bar and Starbucks. $13 going 7 miles. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks, $6 going 2 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got Pete's Coffee. This one's going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that was $7, and got the next one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 4.5 miles, 2 items. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Need ketchup or something?
Got this right away. This is a Taco Bell. This one's going 4 miles. Thank you. You too.
Calls may be monitored and recorded by DoorDash and service providers for quality.
Wowee, that's a no tip. Total for that was $4 and change. So cringe. Next order up, got a Wendy's. This one's going 1.5 miles. I don't think I've ever been to this Wendy's before. Thank you. You too. It's kind of wild to think about. I've been doing this for years and I still somehow get new locations. Total for that one was $5. That's insane. I got paid more for that one than I did the Taco Bell. Next order up is a Taco Bell. This is $8 going 4.5 miles.
Groceries for pickup? Ordering token? Because you're like
Okay, time to go home. Current time is 10 o'clock on the dot. Current total is 84 and waiting on a couple Uber tips. I don't think we're hitting $100 today. Oh well, it is what it is. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.